Let's talk about painting the town red to supersize and grow our business. It's a little artist down, a little tiny easel that my sister got my grandmother. My grandmother was an artist who passed away just shy of 100 years old a couple of years ago. And we used to go decorate her room and stuff and visit her a lot for holidays and things. But today's idiom for supersize your business is to paint the town red. So it's got a fun history. And like so many things on the internet, there's controversy as to whether the origin of it is actually the origin of it or not. The internet claims, some sources say yes, it absolutely is, and there's plenty of proof to prove that this is where it came from. Other sources say there isn't enough proof to prove that that's where it came from, or there isn't enough documented proof to prove that it's where it came from. So let me grab my magnifying glass because I think it's a fun story. Supposedly in 1837, the Marquis of Waterford and friends painted several buildings red after a night of, or during a night of intoxicated frivolity and celebration. And the idiom, of course, means to paint the town red, means to go out and have a very good time, usually involving alcohol, dancing, rowdiness, laughing with friends or family or whoever. But usually it's to go out and have a good time. And by painting the town red, they literally painted buildings red. Uh, there's also some talk that it could have come from the cowboy days when cowboys would go out and get intoxicated at the saloon and then shoot their guns saying that they were going to paint the town red. Again, no documented proof of that one. And another one was the huntsman in Melton, Monterey. I believe that's in England, not sure. Um, that they, in drunken activities and wildness, I don't understand where that one exactly ties into painting the town red, but they were out and they all involve, every one of the stories or possible origins involves some kind of partying and celebration, either after battles or hunting or some kind of celebration. So we don't use it that way anymore. Now, if we say we're going to paint the town red, we mean we're going to go out and celebrate and have a good time, which it's New Year's Eve tonight. Although I have COVID and will not be going out and celebrating, a lot of people will. Hopefully they're not painting the town red, but they are going out and spending time and ringing in the new year with friends and family and acquaintances that they want to spend time with. So this idiom, how do we use it to grow and build and supersize our business? We get to decide the impression we're going to leave with the people that we're here to serve and the communities that we work in and where we do business and who we do business with. We get to decide all those things. And we want to, painting the town red to me is leaving an impression, leaving our mark on something. What are we leaving and how are we leaving our impression on the communities we work in, the people that we serve, our customers? And what do we want that to be? I think a lot of our branding and our marketing speaks to this. So I invite you to go out and paint the town red or blue or green or purple or pink or whatever color you want tonight as you ring in the new year, and think about how you want to grow and build and supersize your business next year. The impression you want to leave, the mark you want to leave on the world, because we're not creating our businesses to make the world a better place. What the heck are we doing? All right, have an awesome day, a happy new year, and I'll of course be with you tomorrow.